everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer and I'm so excited. This is our club transfer for February 2021 and I love it. It's got so many different parts to it. You can use this on a lot of different things, so versatile. One thing I want to let you know about the club this month, you get this transfer. You join in February. You get this transfer. You don't have to wait till next month like you used to. You will get this transfer. You will get 3 paste packets. It'll be the Shimmer Gold, Black Velvet, and you will get Current Jam are the colors. You'll be getting also, if you join in February, you will get our copy of our Spring Summer collection catalog. And the special for this month are 15% off these 4 kits. This one I'm not sure is going to be available by the end of the month, but these 3, this one should be returning soon, so I think this will be here by Friday. But you have these 3, you can get 15% off these tools. Then if you don't want to become a club member, we also have these kits. If you want to try Chalk Couture but you don't want to spend money on paste, no, check my site out for those. And also in our new catalog, I just got our new In Vogue colors. These ones, this one's Golden Hour, Pistachio, and Tulip. Got Shimmer Melon and Shimmer Splash. And I'm not going to be using those today, but I'm excited to get them. They're supposed to be our new formula. It's supposed to be creamy dreamy. So I'm going to get started. I love the way it turned out. And this is our, like I said, our February's. Check out our deals and the new catalog, new paste, the new drying tool, and all the surfaces should be coming out tomorrow, Tuesday the 23rd at 9 a.m. I don't know if my daughter, hopefully she'll get this posted right away. She does the editing of my videos. But again, I'm Robin Kay. Thank you so much for watching, and check out all my links below. If you're interested in the club or just even the little kits they have, click onto my link, chalkcouture.com/RobinK, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.